Alright, gang, we back. Ready to go for a little ride. I'm on the way to my job. So, we get a little footage started. Get your little inside cabin type sounding. I gotta roll, I'm late. Phone always ringing. Hello, I'm recording. What's going on?
I told you to hit it, fool, before you go.
Oh, I did.
You hit it, motherfucker.
Yeah. Alright, let me go. I'm recording.
Huh?
I'm recording. Say hi to the channel.
Hey, channel. Go ahead.
Alright. Now, when you get to about 3,000 RPMs, that's when you can really hear that roar. You can really hear that roar at 3,000 RPMs, like I said. But other than that, I mean, it's in comfort mode. It sound good. It sound good. Yeah. When you come to a stop, because you know this dual clutch, so she like kind of go to neutral a little bit, so you get that idle. You get that nice whine and idle, you know. So yeah, I'm loving it, y'all. I'm loving it. I thought it was gonna be over the top, super crazy louder, you know. I mean, I'm used to muffler delete because I had two Audis, both my Audis S5s, V8s. They was muffler deletes, but I ain't have a muffler delete plus resonator before. This is my first time, and plus twin turbo. So hopefully that make a difference. I mean, it feel like the car still ripping, she's still pulling, you know. So she definitely more nastier than before. So stay tuned. We got more videos coming. I gotta give y'all a 0 to 60 acceleration sound. I gotta give y'all launch control sound in and out the cabin. So man, stay tuned, man. We out here, man. We driving, we living, you know what I mean? We aspiring. So I'm trying to do anything possible to get somebody else's channel started. I'm at the bottom. I'm trying to reach the top of the mook. You understand what I'm saying? My man, Mr. Organic and that, man. I'm trying to get up there with them tall guys and them, you know. My man and Omi and the Hellcat. Shouts out to them, man. Them guys, they real YouTubers, man. I'm trying to catch up. Look at this. What's wrong with people? Look at this guy right here, man. What you think you gonna do with this, man? Huh? You gonna make this one a turn, man. I ain't trying to go down this way, dog. Alright, y'all, but yeah. Ooh. Yes, Lord. Yes, sir. When you stop at her, man, she go. She do what she's supposed to do. She do what she's supposed to do. So, you know, I'm cruising. I'm at a cruising mode right now. Going about 60, 58. We're just cruising to the job, y'all. We're cruising to the job, you know. I'm loving the sound. If you rock exhaust, you rock. You hear me? So exhaust is where it's at. I was scared for a while, you know, because I live in the town where it's though. I'm from Baltimore, so I personally gonna know when you coming and going, then they start setting traps for you. But you know, you only live once, man. So I put that in the hands of God. So I'm straight, you know what I mean? I ain't scared of no man, Jack. You know what I'm talking about? So we're gonna have some fun, y'all. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna keep it coming. We're gonna keep the fun coming. I gotta do some videos with the C7, A7. We gotta do some shoots with that, because now we got muffler delete on both vehicles. Yeah. We got a challenge coming. No doubt in my mind, we got a challenge coming. We're gonna make it right. We're gonna make it hot for you. You heard me? I just need y'all to come, to keep on supporting my channel. Send your friends, you know. Tell people about me, tell your sister, tell your grandma about me. She might even like the video. She might want to hear a little noise, you know what I mean? Somebody, man, just, you know, support the channel much as possible. Trying to get this channel to grow to a certain extent. You know, once I get 1,000 subscribers, that's when the giveaway is gonna start. You know what I mean? I promise y'all from the first beginning. I told y'all, and I think my 5th video, I'm gonna give away a GoPro. That'll be my first giveaway, a GoPro. And then that's from, you know, we're gonna reach the sky. You know what I mean? So just stick by the kid, stay by me. We're gonna ride together. We're gonna ride it out, man. Prime so dangerous, man. Prime so dangerous. On the way to work, late. Uh-oh. That thing is nice. She's screaming. She's screaming. She's screaming, man. She's screaming. Oh, we're gonna catch up with the guy with the Hellcat. We're gonna catch up with him with the Hellcat. He worked by my job with his Hellcat. So now we definitely gonna get some side-by-side action with that. We're gonna give a little rap battle. So if I see him, I'm gonna let him know. And I'm gonna let him know if it's okay we put him on camera. You know, some people feel a little, you know what I mean, a little scared about camera, but you know, we're gonna get a little action going on. Maybe we might get a 0 to 60 beside him, see what's up. See what this 540 can do towards that 700. Yeah, but all-wheel drive, might I say. It's if he's spinning, he in trouble, you know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man, dual clutch, man, gang, man. Dual clutch gang, Audi gang, S6 gang, you know, A7, S7, all above. Man, we're gonna sign out. We're ready to pull up at the job, man. I don't live too far from my job. That's the best thing in the world. Type down below if you don't live far from your job. Ain't that the best in the world? But we out here, man. We out here. We got more videos coming. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Trust and believe. We got videos coming, man. We got videos coming. Believe in the kid. Prime so dangerous, man. Holla at your boy.